When it launches in October, the Mate 30 Pro will be one of the hottest Android phones of 2019. Several leaks so far told us that the next Huawei phone will have a more daring design than the Galaxy S or Note, as well as an upgraded triple lens camera system on the back. Some of those leaks also showed us the design for the Mate 30 Pro's display and rear panel, and we saw the headset in wild when it was photographed on a subway. Now, accessory makers frequently publish renders of unreleased devices with their latest protective cases. In this instance, Leaks collected a bunch of images from unnamed Mate 30 Pro case maker. Now, according to the leak, the display features a smaller notch that will house the 3D face authentication components, as well as a tiny top and bottom bezels. It also has curved edges just like the Mate 20 Pro, but the curvature isn't quite as extreme as previously reported. In fact, it looks a lot like Galaxy Note 10's curvature. Moreover, the phone features physical buttons on the right side. Previously, we heard that the Mate 30 Pro would lack physical buttons, which will be replaced by virtual buttons on the side screen. Moving on to the back, we have a circular triple lens camera module. There is also a gradient color similar to what Huawei did with its flagship in the past couple of years. But the phone packs a rather large sensor next to the camera, and the logo is positioned in a way that would fit phone with vertical multi-lens camera array. The render also suggests the handset will have curved sides with the SIM tray placed on the bottom, next to the USB-C and bottom speaker. As expected, there will be no 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, if we talk about these specifications, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro could be powered by the manufacturer's own Kirin 990 chipset, expected to be introduced in September. The 7nm chip, designed by Huawei's high silicon unit and produced by TSMC, is expected to include several components to support 5G connectivity. We could see the basic model equipped with 8GB of memory and 128GB of storage, with other configuration offering more of both. Previous speculation called for a 4200 mAh battery inside the unit. As for the rear cameras, a fresh leak revealed that the circular module will contain not one but two 40MP sensors. The primary camera is said to be the same as the one found on Huawei P30 Pro. That means we should expect a 40MP camera with 1x1.55" sensor along with a 40MP camera using a 1x1.7" sensor. The latter camera might be used to capture ultra-wide angle shot with a 120° field of view. The 8MP telephoto camera is likely to have a 5x optical zoom with 10x hybrid zoom capabilities. If the rumor mills has this paged correctly, the Mate 30 Pro will also come with a time of flight sensor. This technology measures the time it takes infrared beam to bounce off a subject and return to the phone. Since the speed of infrared light is known, the data can be used to create 3D maps used for secure facial recognition. The latter can be used to improve the bokeh effect on portraits, and there is a talk of a pro video mode. The Mate 30 Pro should also be equipped with an in-display fingerprint scanner, IP68 dust and water resistance, and reverse wireless charging capability. We could see the Mate 30 Pro unveiled in October alongside the smaller Mate 30 and Mate 30X gaming phone. We don't expect this model or any phone with the Huawei name to be easily available in the US. So guys, are you excited for the Huawei Mate 30 series? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.